Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a second or a new workspace in your ClickUp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new workspace in ClickUp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that oftentimes you have different projects with different contractors or different employees. So setting up different workspaces keeps everything separate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create another workspace, what you're going to do is up here on the left, go ahead and click on your current workspace, this little arrow next. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and then you want to go ahead and click on this button here called New Workspace. It has a plus icon. Okay, in order to set up a second workspace, they're going to ask you a few questions. So what are you going to use this workspace for? So work. How many people are you going to be working with? Just me. And then what solution would you like to start with? So let's do sales and CRM, and then we'll click on next. All right, now we can go ahead and name your workspace. So for example, if you are using this to manage your different restaurants, and let's say that maybe you have a Mexican restaurant and a Chinese restaurant, maybe we want to go ahead and name this one Chinese restaurant. So that way we can easily see what this workspace is for in our ClickUp account. And I'm going to click on finish. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we are in our new workspace here in ClickUp. So as you look up here on the left, we are in the Chinese restaurant ClickUp workspace. And then if we click that little arrow, we can switch in between. So here is my other workspace on ClickUp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a second or a new workspace in your ClickUp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.